Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can print a glossy paper with your Epson EcoTank printer. So basically what you'll need to do is pull this little tab and put your glossy paper. So right now I'm going to put the simple paper because I don't have a glossy paper, but it's the same. So you have these little tabs that you can adjust it, as you can see, like this. It moves symmetrically, so you can move just one. So just put your paper and make sure it hits the border of the paper like this, the both sides, and the paper moves freely, not to the sides but freely. So make sure to do that. Okay, now my paper doesn't move to the sides but moves freely up and down. And now we can move on to another setting. So basically right now I'm on the Word document and I want to print this as glossy paper. So I will go to the file, then go to the print, and right here you'll see your printer and you'll see printer properties. Click on the printer properties and right here you'll see the Epson series properties opens up and you'll see the document size. So select the right document size, and for the paper type select the right paper type: glossy, premium glossy, or just simple paper glossy. And then click OK and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.